Wolmer's Boys is represented this evening by Team Captain TVJ Williams, Jordan Reed, Tyler Davis, and Cameron Campbell. While Jamaica College is represented by Team Captain Jaheem Corey, Mason J. Edwards, Jamarley Banton, and Marvin White. Hello and welcome to the opening match in this best of three quarter-final series of TVJ's Schools Challenge Quiz. I'm Jean-Paul Menu. It's the best of three quarter-final series, and teams will have to defeat their opponents twice to advance to the semi-final round. It all comes down to this. High schools from across the island have entered the challenge. But do they have the skill, the knowledge, and the temperament to move on to the next round? This is the opening challenge. In this section, teams will be asked questions alternately and will receive 1 point for each correct answer. Earlier we had the toss. Wolmer's Boys won and decided to go first. So we begin with Wolmer's Boys. The section lasts for 4 minutes. Let's get that time on the clock, please. We have it, so we'll begin Wolmer's Boys with art. What is the name of the art technique in which small distinct dots of color are applied in patterns to form an image?
Pointillism. Pointillism.
That's right, art for Jamaica College. Which art movement was formed during the First World War in Zurich in a negative reaction to the horrors and folly of the war?
Dadaism.
Dadaism. Dadaism.
That's right, international affairs for Wolmer's Boys. Look at the monitor. Identify which country's flag is displayed.
Tanzania.
Tanzania.
Correct. International affairs, Jamaica College. Look at the monitor. Identify which country's flag is displayed.
Namibia. Namibia.
That's right, biology, Wolmer's Boys. What is the name for the finger-shaped pouch that protrudes from the first part of the colon on the lower right side of the human abdomen?
Appendix.
Appendix. Appendix.
That's right, biology, JC. What is the name for the pair of small masses of lymphoid tissue located in the human throat, one on either side of the root of the tongue?
The tonsils. The tonsils.
That's right, English language, Wolmer's Boys. If something is described as being dead in the water, has it stopped making any progress, smells terrible, or is below the surface?
Stop making any progress. Stop making any progress.
Correct, English language, JC. If something is described as water under the bridge, is it no longer important, of high importance, or flowing freely?
It is no longer important. It is no longer important.
That's right. Music, Wolmer's Boys. Gentlemen, listen to the following clip. Identify the singer, please.
Chuck Berry.
Chuck Berry.
No, it's the great Ray Charles, Jamaica College. Listen to the following clip. Identify this singer, please.
In other words, hold my hand.
Frank Sinatra.
That's right. Bible knowledge, Wolmer's Boys. Which disciple did Jesus instruct to feed his sheep?
Peter.
That's right. Bible knowledge, JC. Which disciple of Jesus asked, can any good thing come out of Nazareth?
Nathaniel.
Or Bartholomew. Correct. Theatre and cinema for Wolmer's Boys. Look at the monitor. Identify this actor, please.
Christopher Daly.
No, it's John Amos, Theatre and Cinema, JC. Look at the monitor. Identify this actress, please.
Actress.
Yeah, she played the mother in A Good Time. It's Olivia Benson.
Olivia Benson.
No, it's Esther Roll, the father and mother in Good Times, respectively. Geography, Wolmer's Boys. Which group of islands lie approximately between latitudes 10 degrees and 16 degrees north and longitude 60 degrees and 62 degrees west?
Saint Vincent and Grenadines.
No, the Windward Islands, Geography, JC. Which Caribbean country is situated between 10 degrees and 11 degrees north latitude and 60 degrees and 61 degrees west longitude?
Trinidad and Tobago.
Correct. Sport for Wolmer's Boys. Look at the monitor. Identify this person, please.
Zinedine Zidane.
Correct. JC. Look at the monitor. Identify this person, please.
Thierry Henry. Thierry Henry.
Both French football legends, that's right. Chemistry Wolmers, which element has the largest atomic radius?
Francium. Francium.
Correct. Chemistry JC, which element has the highest ionization energy?
Highest ionization energy. Wouldn't be helium.
Helium.
Correct. Principles of business, Wolmer's boys. What is the name for a legal arrangement where two or more people work together to own and manage a business?
Partnership. Partnership.
Correct. Principles of business, JC. What is the name of a market structure where a single company or entity has complete control over the production and sale of a product or service?
Monopoly.
That's right. Literature, and that's the bell. That's the end of the opening challenge. Let's take a look at the scores. Jamaica College on head, just slightly ahead on 10. Wolmer's boys on 8. When we come back, it'll be time for the speed challenge. Don't go anywhere. Quarter-final action in Schools Challenge Quiz returns right after these messages.